Hello students, in previous online lectures of this module, we discussed web-based marketing, various methods of marketing on internet, and also we discussed about online business, its advantages and disadvantages. Today, let us discuss the topic advertising on internet. Advertising is a form of promotion that is used to persuade people to orient them towards purchasing activity and building positive ideas towards the service or the product. Advertising is necessary to bring awareness about company's product or service and communicate the benefits of the product or service to the public. Internet provides companies proper platform for advertising. It is the modern and convenient way for traders to publish products and services online. Let us understand what are the various advantages of advertising on internet. First one is global reach. Companies can use internet for advertising their products and can reach large number of customers located at different places. Targeting particular user groups. Advertising on internet helps companies to reach the targeted customers. For example, when we purchase products online, by using those details, the company notify us about the other similar products or the related products which we have already bought through emails or through messages. Cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional advertising, advertising on internet costs less, better ROI. Since online advertising is mainly focused on performance-based payment, that is, the companies pay for advertisements based on the number of users or the number of people who visit the advertisement or who clicks on the advertisement. Thus, ROI is better when compared with offline or traditional advertising. Delivery of more content. Internet-based advertising is more informative. Sufficient information about the product can be given through internet advertising. There is no restriction on the content as it is done in case of traditional advertising. In case of traditional advertising, the payment is done based on the content also. That is not the case in case of internet advertising. Longer shelf life for messages and information. Advertising on internet provides sufficient time to the customers to go through the advertisement, and also it allows replay the advertisements. Faster delivery, better presentation. Using multimedia applications which integrate text, images, audio, video, animations, attractive and effective advertisements can be placed on the internet. Interactive and faster feedback. Advertisements on internet are interactive and the companies can also collect feedback from the customers through internet advertisements. Flexible payment, as we discussed in previous points. In case of internet advertisements focus on performance-based payments. But in case of offline advertising, we need to pay to the advertising agency irrespective of the results. And in case of internet advertising, the payment is done based on the number of people or users who visit the advertisement or who clicks on the advertisement. Easy to track and measure conversion. Using internet, it is easy for the companies to track the information about the visitors, and also the performance or effectiveness of the advertisements can be measured by using various analytical tools. For example, the company can know how many visitors have visited the advertisement and also have placed the purchase order for the product, how many people have just visited the site and have returned back. All such information can be easily tracked in case of internet advertising. Now let us discuss what are the various limitations of advertising on internet. Unauthorized copying and duplication. As internet is open for all, anyone can access it. So the content or the advertisement can be easily copied and duplicated by others. Advertisement clutter. Most of the companies are using internet for advertisement. When we go to any site like commercial site or social media site, we find plenty of advertisements on these websites. So there are chances that the customer can ignore these advertisements. Confusion in selecting sites. There are thousands of sites offering thousands of services. Hence, selecting suitable site for advertisement on internet is difficult and also confusing. Forced advertising. Some internet-based advertising involve making people forcibly pay attention to unwanted and irritating advertisements. For example, the companies send various advertisements through email services in the form of spams, and also you might have observed when we watch videos on YouTube, we get the advertisements which cannot be skipped. The users have to attend such advertisements. Inappropriate use. Some companies which have very little knowledge about internet advertisement can restrict spending on advertisements on internet, which results in unsatisfactory outcomes for the company. Chance of skipping. People browsing websites can easily skip and ignore unwanted advertisements running on websites. So all these are the limitations of advertising on internet. Next topic for today is applications of 4 P's of marketing mix. Is essentially a combination of 4 basic elements: product, price, promotion and place. As we discussed, most of the companies nowadays are using internet for marketing their products and services. Because of various advantages of using internet in marketing the products, here let us know the effect of internet on these 4 P's of marketing. That is product, price, promotion and place, one by one. Product, as you all know, product is the tangible good sold by a firm or intangible services rendered by an enterprise. Product acts as a link between the enterprise and the customer. Any firm that wishes to use internet for product marketing need to consider the following points: displaying the product on the website in the form of pictures or videos with relevant specifications, features, models, colors and prices. By displaying all these details about the product, the customer can get the clear idea about the product or the service. making customers to spend sufficient time to see the product details and induce buying intensity among the customers, using case studies, demos, and trials to sell intangible services. In case of intangible services, the information about the services can be given in form of case studies, demos, and trials. For example, in case of online tutors, preview of the course or access to demo class on some topic is given to the interested users, using industry standard liberal return policy to ensure customers regarding defect in product. Along with the product information, the companies should also provide the details about the return policy they are using in case of defective products. Next element is price. Price is the monetary value for a product or service offered by a firm. Using internet, affordable price can be offered to the customer due to the inherent advantages of online business, which we have discussed in previous class. Due to number of same category products that are sold by number of websites, setting the product price will be crucial in case of online business. Some of the companies hesitate to highlight the product's price on the website as it may discourage the customer or it may be known to its competitor. But the price plays an important role. In case of internet-based marketing, customers search their required products based on their prices itself. So, along with other details, the company should also display the price details on the website. Promotion represents various aspects of selling and advertising, that is, communicating benefits of the product or services, persuading customers to buy the products or service. It has 4 distinct elements: advertising, public relations, personal selling, and sales promotion. The following promotion channels can be used to get advantage of internet: topical, industry and trade sites for specific customers, that is, company can promote their products on the other websites which trade the other related products. Search engine marketing, companies can use this technique and increase its visibility in the search engine results so that more number of customers can visit the company's website, which results in increasing the sales. Social media marketing, companies can promote their products on various social media sites through which large number of people can be reached. Building public relations, by responding to the queries and paying attention to the feedbacks, that helps in brand building. And last we have place. Place is a way of getting the product to the consumer and to see that the services and products are accessible to the end users from their convenient place and at the right time. Companies can use various strategies to make best use of internet for place marketing mix. Placement of service or product on major search engines like Google, Yahoo, AltaVista, etc. Placement of service or product on vertical search engines that focus on specific segments like education, travel, industry, law, medical. Placement through affiliate marketing. Placement through display advertising.